comfortable family home in prime Thornhill. Quiet, prestigious location near all amenities. This bright, well-maintained family home with 4 well-sized bedrooms and finished basement with recreation room. Freshly painted, hardwood floor throughout main and second floor. Main floor with laundry, access to double garage. Family-size kitchen plus granite counter plus stainless steel appliances. Family room gas fireplace, pot lights. Extras: stainless steel fridges, stainless steel stoves, stainless steel range hood, stainless steel dishwasher, washer dryer, all electrical light fixtures. All window coverings, air condition, furnace, hot water tank, garage door opener with remotes.